The following video is a time-lapse taken from the Watercolor Workshop Modules 16 and 17, brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. To access this course and much more, visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members. Members of thevirtualinstructor.com have access to this course, the ebooks that go along with it, and all of the other great courses and live instruction that are offered there. To learn more about membership, just click on the Learn More button or visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members. Start learning today.